Guys, in this video, we will discuss about the RHCSA EX200 exam question sets. Please we keep watch this video till the end. I will cover the question which is frequently asked in this exam. This exam is very important, so please keep watch this video till the end. The question number first is user create a group named manager. Create a group named manager. Second point is that user Sarah and Hari should belong to the manager group as a secondary group. And third point is user Natasha should have non-interactive cell and she should not be a member of manager group. Fourth is passwords for all user created should be rated 1, 2, 3. So we will do step by step hands-on practical. So please keep watching this video till the end. The very first point is create a group named manager. This is my machine. If you already have, since I already created the manager group, so I can check that etc group file grab manager. This will show me. As you can see, my manager group is already exists. If you and you can add this manager group with the help of this simple command group add, and the name of the group you want to create. So this will create the manager group. The next point is that users Sarah and Hari should belong to the manager group as a secondary. So to add as a secondary group, you can add user add name of the user which is Sarah, and to add as a secondary group, you can use -g and the name of the group which is manager. Similarly, you can mention another user like Hari. So this command will add user as well as that user will be added as a secondary group in the manager group. The third point is that user Natasha should have non-interactive cell. Non-interactive means slash aswin slash no login. All rest of the cells are interactive. So user Natasha should have non-interactive cell and she should not be a member of manager group. So I will add another user with having non-interactive cell. So I will add user as Natasha and the cell name is slash srin no login. This will add user Natasha in the non-interactive cell. It is already since in my machine it is already exists, so that way it is showing it is already exists. And the fourth point is that password for all user created should be red hat 1, 2, 3. So here now we have 3 users. So we will assign a password with the help of command like echo echo double slash double inverted comma red hat 1, 2, 3. I will assign this password to the first user which name is passwd, which is used to assign the password Hari, and standard in std. In this command will assign a password. Okay, Hari is assigned. Next is Natasha. Natasha is also assigned, and Sarah. The password is also assigned. So in this way you can perform these questions. Answer. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. First we created manager, then you added both the users in that manager group. Then we added Natasha user and as a non-interactive cell, and she should not be a part of. We not added this user to to the manager group, and password for all users created should be there and be